BS Fart app is the next generation of flatulence technology. This is what it looks like when it's installed on your device. I'll open it up. I'm running this on an iPac 910C. First thing I'm going to show you is the integrated web server. This allows you to control your flatulence and track the device via any browser. The application loads to a list. You can navigate the interface with your finger, double clicking to enter things, or clicking and sliding. So inside the web server we see a login and password. That's because the web server supports basic authentication. So we're going to go ahead and set the login to example 1 and just check the status. It says it's online. Now we're going to go to a browser and we're going to put that IP address in here. An authentication dialog appears here. We're going to go ahead and put example 1 in the login and password or the password. And this is the web server that runs natively on the device. You can see in the center the GPS location. This allows you to track the phone wherever it might be. So you can see here a this might be useful in a prank if you wanted to wait until your mark was at a specific location, say church or the office, maybe the boardroom, and once they were in place you could execute a fart. That can be done by selecting a fart here from this list and then clicking preview or execute. Preview plays it locally on the browser. And execute plays it on the phone. Next I'm going to show you the text messaging functionality. Text messaging security is enforced using a PIN. This PIN is sent preceding any command to the phone via text messaging. I'm going to grab this other device. This is a Nokia Express Music. We're going to go ahead and create a text message to get this. The first thing that I'm going to send is the PIN. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, as you saw here. That's going to cause the BS Fart app to respond with a list of the commands that I could execute via text messaging. So here you see the commands that could be executed. You see the PIN preceding each command. So if you send list, that'll return the list of farts and their fart codes. If you send the PIN and the word fart and then a fart code, it'll execute that fart. The PIN in GPS returns the location, and the PIN in call makes the phone call. So let's go ahead and reply to this. And we're going to try out the GPS feature first. Okay, that message has been sent. Now we're waiting on a response back from the BS Fart app. It's going to come back with the GPS location in just a second. And there you see the longitude and the latitude that came back from the Windows mobile device running the BS Fart app. Next I'll show you how the eavesdropping feature works. Simply send that PIN, a space, the word call, and then the number that you'd like the Windows mobile phone running the BS Fart app to call. In this case I'm going to map. So I've sent the request, and now this phone is automatically going to be calling this phone over here. It's attempting to make that call now. Here we have confirmation that the phone is going to be dialing me. And there's my phone call. And now from here, I can hear anything through this phone that's near this phone. So I could deploy this in a car or in a room, listen with this phone, and wait for the perfect moment to execute my fart. So to execute a fart, all I would need to do is reply back with the PIN. And again, this PIN protects other people from using the VS Fart app on your phone. And then the word fart. And I'm going to follow that by the fart code. Now the fart codes, see I have 003 here, those are defined inside the VS Fart app. Sorry, I was just receiving a call there. So you can see this is 004 for the short and sweet fart. So I'm going to do 003. .003 is the shorter and sweeter fart. So I'm going to send that. In addition to executing flatulence remotely, you could execute them manually. I'll show you how you do that. This is again the screen that the application starts to. So from here I can jump into farts, go to browse, select a fart, and then just choose fart. And that farts automatically. You go ahead and turn up the volume on that. Nice. Sneaky fart is our time delayed fart. Just select the amount of time here. We'll do 5 seconds for a quickie. And now the sneaky fart's been armed. You can schedule as many sneaky farts as you'd like, unlike other applications. So you don't have to reach into your pocket. Nice. You don't have to reach into your pocket to queue up multiple farts. Share gives you the ability to share farts with a friend. They can be sent via text or via MMS, through email, or through email, of course, to any email address. So here we give you the ability to change the subject, message, and attachment. And the reason for that, you can also specify the account to use. I've got 3 accounts set up here. And then when you're ready to send the fart, simply select Send Fart. You can also change the name of any of the farts that's installed. And as soon as you change the name here, it'll automatically be updated on the website, running on the phone. You can also change the SMS code. This is the code that you send via text messages to trigger farts. It's sort of difficult to flick it while I'm using one hand, but you get the idea. Of course, you also have the ability to record farts. Again, from the main menu here, we're going to go into farts. And this time we'll select record, and then just let off a little fart there, hit done, and now it's in the system. So the flatulence, once they're recorded, can be used just like the rest of the flatulence in your library. You can give them your own name. I like to name them after things that I've had to eat. So today it was a tuna sandwich. Tuna melt, actually, to be accurate. Sweet. And now that's saved. You can see tuna melt at the bottom. And also on the website, if we go back to it again, you can see immediately that I'm just refreshing the page here. You can see tuna melt was added. And that's about it for functionality. So if you have any questions, please let me know. support@bsfartapps.com. This is $1.99. I think you're getting an awesome value. Just the eavesdropping and tracking functionality are probably worth it. And have fun.